Hello everyone, welcome to Rahul Aramsi. How are you all? Hello. Okay, today I'm going to say that today I'm going to speak about Israel's attack on Gaza. I support Israel in that because Israel was attacked first. Israel attacked back because it can. Okay, Israel never attacks first. Okay, if you attack Israel, they will attack you as well. But if you say that before 47, Palestine was the country, was a big country, then UN had interfered and demarcated in such a way that this is Israel and this is Palestine. I have news for you. They have demarcated in such a way that you will fight, so that the weapons will be sold first. Second thing is, like, before Islam's occupation of places, before there were a lot of Muslims that have occupied different countries, different places, forceful conversions, okay, and forceful occupations of land by just going to the particular place as just an immigrant, and then later on becoming you multiply very soon, and you occupy the entire country. Okay, it's written in Quran as well about the same. I don't mean to if it's written in Hadith as well. So I don't want to demean any religion. So anyone who promotes terrorism should be met with the same sort of thing, and they should be decapitated from the face of the earth. Okay, and as for Christians, I need to tell you that there was a time when there was just Jews. The population of Jews was too much. Okay, was the highest, and it's Jews that had come first. Okay, then Jesus was a Jew as well. Okay, from by his life, you were so motivated. He created Christians were created, and there were a lot of Jewish Christians which were not allowed in the synagogue members of synagogue by Jews, which I believe it's not wrong. We should be little bit more tolerant, but that's the only thing. That's their belief. Let's accept the fact. Let's let them leave alone. That's okay. You created someone else created a new religion, and then you say that Jesus was killed by Jews. It was killed by Greeks, Roman Empire, Roman Gentiles. All right. So why the hell you will blame Jews for it, so that you can praise them? So I'll request the Christians, the Christians, the Jews and Hindus to unite, and some of good Muslims to unite as well, so that we end terrorism as well. Terrorism has no religion, I understand, but mostly it's coming from Muslims, it's coming from Christians as well, it's coming from Hindus. To stop this, we have to fight it alone. Together. Sorry, we have to fight together. Okay, and it should be that the rule should be that any country that attacks another country, the other country has the right to attack back and also occupy the place. This should be the rule that should be taking place. Occupy some of the places, of course. So if that's the case, there will be penalties on attack, right? So that's out. If you try to take my land, even a piece of it, we will attack back and we'll take your piece of land as well. So if that will demotivate or disincentivize terrorism. That's the need of the hour. And you stay in your place, be happy. We will stay in our place and we will be happy as well. That's the best thing. Any country, any sort of people attacking different people, they should be met with tremendous attacks themselves. Okay, and if you say the 1947, it was full of Palestine area. There was no Israel. There was no Jews. I have news for you. There was a time when there was just Jews. Okay, and from Jews, Christians came. From Christians, Islam came. All right. Okay. So that was a place that Jerusalem has a synagogue that's too old as well. So it meant that it was a place of Jews. There were a lot of Jew population which was massacred badly by the Christians, Stalin's, by Lenin's, by Hitler's. That's why Jews are minorities right now, and they don't have the policy to have multiple wives. So they didn't produce much. They produce much as well. Okay, so let's understand that, and they don't attack. But if they are attacked, why should they not attack? live peacefully, you live happy, let them live happy, because there's no place for them else to go. They are fighting for their existence and you're fighting for a place. So who will fight more? They will fight more. Okay, so it's time that Israel, I'm very happy, I'm very impressed with the way they support, they protect their places. They have Iron Dome, right? Iron Dome facility, which is not there anywhere in the world. Even US doesn't have it. So respect to them, and not respect not to them. They protected their own land and then they attacked. That's good. They have the right to protect, and they will protect. If you attack them, they will attack you as well, and that's right. That's right. I can understand from their viewpoint. Okay, so it's not about religion. Let everybody leave, then everybody will be happy. Okay, it's very easy to create divisions. It's already a lot of divisions. There are a lot of divisions already in this world. Let's be one. All right. So if Islams or Christians or Jews or Hindus, anybody Christians in their anybody is terrorists are terrorists in their own in this religion, we need to point out, we need to segregate them, and then we need to attack them. And when we do that, there will be peace all over the world. Because from the birth itself, they have been taught that no, it's you have to fight, you have to kill them, you have to kill people. So when your child is so weak that if you hear it again and again, it stays in your mind forever. And it was even when you're old, when you're less scared, you'll fight. That's how you're brainwashed, you're hypnotized, you're zombies for them. So that's how you should treat them. You should attack them as well, because they will not change. Okay, that's all. This is Rahul Mohan Chandran, the greatest performer the world has ever seen.